A learning curve is essential for growth. Knowledge is treasure, but practice is the key. Hello friends, so in this tutorial of Excel, we will learn about date value and Eomonth formula in Excel, how to use them. So these formulas are basically to find out the starting date and the end date of the month. So let's begin here. So we first of all we are already in the sheet 3. So we will go to the sheet 4, and here we will create a list of months. Like here we write down Jan, on here we write down Feb. So what we will do, we just bold them and just increase a size a bit. So we just increase the size of it to 12 and then just drag it out till December. And after doing this, we go to the sheet 3, and here we will create a list of it. So to create the list of it, we go to the data, and from data we will go to data validations, and in data validation we go to list, and we just click on the source, and from here we go to sheet 4, and in the sheet 4 we will just drag from January till December and select all the months. After selecting them, we have to click OK. So after clicking OK, we get this type of box here, and then when we click over it and just click over there, we will find January here. So we have a list of months here. Whichever month we like to select, we can select it from here. Either it's January, either it's February, either it's March. So here we will first of all again go to January, and here we will use our first date. We just write down first date here, and then we go here, and here what is our first date, we have to find out. We press equal to and write date value. After writing date value, what we will do, we will press shift from our system and press inverted commas, and then we will write 1 and then again inverted comma, and then shift and press 7 number where there is 8. So there here, and then we have a sign of and here, and after that we will just click on Jan and just close it and make an enter. So we'll get just a number here. It is basically a code for the date. For that we go to the home, and in place of journal we select a date, whichever date you like, short date or long date. I am selecting the long date here, so I just put the long date and we got the date. So our date is 1st of January 2001 here, the first date of January. Similarly, we will find out the last date. We write down last date here and just keep a little bit of space between last and first, and then we will go to here in front of it and press equal to, and here we write EOMONTH, EO of month, and just press this one. And what it's asking write down your start date. So our start date is 1st of January, and just press this comma here, and then we will put 0 and just close it and press enter. So now we will get again a code. So what we have to do, we again go to the home page, and in place of journal we have to take the long date. So we have a date here also. If you will drag it, so we will find it. This is our date. So this is the formula to find out the first date and last date in Excel. I hope you like this video. If you like it, just follow us or either subscribe us, and bell notification button for more valuable videos which we are making. Thank you very much.